Hi, my dear students. This is CA AKS Krishnan here, and ICI has announced the result date for CA final, both old and new syllabus, and CA foundation, who have written their examination in cycle 2 of November 20, which is January 21. So the result date for these people is March 21st, 2021, which is the Sunday, and it is likely to be declared on Sunday, or sometimes if there is any technical glitch, they will declare the result on Monday, which is 22nd of March. And my advice for CA foundation students: once you cleared the foundation examination, immediately make arrangement for registering for CA Inter, and make sure you are registering for both groups, because if you are registering for both groups, it is 18,000 rupees. If you are registering for only one group, it is 14,000 rupees. And when you are registering for the second group, you have to again pay 14,000 rupees. So if you want to save another 10,000 rupees, register for both groups. And so this is for foundation students. And for both final and foundation, I wish you all success. I pray God for your success and all the best. Let us all pray together so that no collectively we'll get very good results. I guess inter results will be announced in another 5 6 days, maybe like March 26. By that they will be announcing. And there is three websites. One is ICA exam, another one is CA results, another one is ICA NIC. So there are three portals. Make sure you are remembering both your registration number, roll number, then pin number, everything you are remembering. So evening means approximately after 2 p.m. you can check the results. And all the best. Thank you.